Alright, so I'm gonna do a repair on these guys today. So, his arms don't go up, or they sort of do. Oh, that is weird. It's like they move up on their own. What? Oh, that's weird. They don't work very well. His arms don't go up. But that's weird though that the motor does that. Unless if it's just the gear ratio. He doesn't turn very well. His arm is splitting. It works though. I'm gonna start with him. I got him open and I changed his gear. And I don't know what I did with the old gear. But I put a fresh one on there. And I did have to resolder this, which is annoying. Whatever. I have his mech right here. And you actually have to unscrew the feet, I guess. It's kind of weird, but anything to get it fixed. He's gonna be next. Alright, I got him fresh gear. I unscrewed his feet. But even after trying to unscrew it, I still pulled off a wire. So I had to resolder that. And here's his mech. Pretty simple. Small. And yeah, I'm gonna get him back together, and then I'm probably gonna do him next. Alright, so I got him back together. It wasn't too hard. Just getting the staples in was a little tough, but yeah, he works pretty well now. He's just blocking the way. But once I get him working, you'll be able to see that I could just do it now, actually. There we go. He got stuck, I think, on his shirt. But yeah, he's done. So I'll have to start on him next. Alright, I'm finally done with them. They took so long, a few days. It was grueling, but they're done. I did not record Larry's repair because I forgot to, but it's the same as Curly's arm. So I just had to go in there, replace the 9 tooth. It was the same. But they work really, really good now. I just did some readjusting to the heads and cleaned them up a bit. I got all the dust off of his head and all of the dust off the board. So yeah, I'll play a little demo. They almost work a little too well, but they're finally done. So yeah, I'll post a full video of them up there. But yeah, that's really it for the repair. Bye guys.